Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create an e-commerce website with Wix.com. So if you don't know, Wix is a platform that allows you to create multiple different websites such as portfolio or maybe just some motivational website. You can create those kind of things with Wix. And beside those things that I've just told you, you can also create an online store or an e-commerce website with Wix. So to do that, the first thing you're going to do is to create an account on Wix website. If you already have one, you can go ahead and log in with your account. But if you haven't, you can just sign up. It's very easy. So go ahead and do that first, and then you can continue and watch this tutorial. So once you're done creating your website, you're going to be able to find a dashboard that looks like this. Now, if you're done creating your account, you can go ahead and start creating your website. Since I already have an account beforehand, my dashboard is going to look like this. And to create a new site, I'm going to have to click on Create New Sites button on the top right of my screen. But usually, if you just started on with Wix.com, this is the first things that you will see. So you will be directed directly to create a website, and they're going to ask you whether you want to set up your website with the help of AI. I'm just going to skip the AI setup, and then I'm just going to do everything manually for now. And here, in order to create an e-commerce website, to make things easier for us, what we're going to do is we're going to directly choose an online store as our kind of website. And through here, you'll be able to see the subcategory of your store. So there is online clothing store, online accessory stores, art stores, beauty stores, jewelry stores, etc. You can directly choose the subcategory for your store, but you can always go with just the online store at first if you don't really know what kind of things you will want to sell on your online store. The reason why it's going to be helpful if you already choose a subcategory is because after this section right here, you're going to want to choose a template for your website, or you can actually start from scratch. But if you want to choose a template, choosing a subcategories are going to help Wix to choose the website templates that is the most suitable with the online store that you're trying to create. So let's say that I'm going to create a beauty stores for now, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Then you're going to want to put a name on your stores. Let's say it's going to name Sun Beauty. Then click on next. And they're going to ask you whether you already have an online store or not. Let's say that we're just starting out, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then you can choose on the product that you sell. Is it a physical product, or are you actually doing a drop shipping business, or is it a service, digital product, or print on demand product? I'm going to go with the physical product. Then go ahead and click on next. And then you can also choose on where you will want to sell your product. Is it online store, mobile app, in person, or marketplace and social media? I'm just going to go with online store and marketplace. Then click on next. And now we can continue to our website dashboard. So this is how our dashboard looks like. You will be able to see your store product, your orders, your gift card, loyalty, referrals, your contacts, your automation, marketing, SEO, analytics reports, billing and payment, sales channels, etc. So you can actually manage everything in one place. But first, we're going to want to go to our site designs first. So go ahead and click on Design Site. And here, like I said earlier, you can choose to start from scratch, or you will want to customize a design template. I always go with a template just so that I don't have to start everything from scratch. And over here, you'll be able to see on the selections of templates that you're going to customize. Again, because I chose a beauty stores as my subcategories, you can see that most of the templates that are showed to me are the ones related to beauty, whether it's skincare or makeup, and it's going to make it easier for me to choose a template that is the most suitable for my specific product. So there's also for beauty salons, beauty technicians, beauty blog, etc. Let's say that I will want to, let's say that I sell makeup and I see some makeup store templates like this one. This one looks good. Okay, I'm gonna go with this ones first. So you can actually view your website before you edit it. You can see on the pages, the overall design, etc. And if you feel like this is good enough for you, you can go ahead and click on edit the site. Alright, so this is how my website looks like for now. And right off the bat, you're going to get this notification that are going to ask you whether you want to let AI to write your site content or not. So let's say you want AI to fill in some parts of your website, such as probably about us or some short bio about your store. You can go ahead and put the ideas on this text box right here. And then I can click on generate site text, and Wix is going to fill some of my online shop or some of my website with AI wording. And here on the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find the navigations menu. You can add elements, add sections, add pages and menu. You can also design your site. Then you can add apps. There is my business sections, media, and CMS. And let's take a look one by one on how it works. So add elements will allows you to add things such as text, images, button, strip, decorative, box, gallery, etc. Because my website already comes with a template, I don't think I'm going to add too much of an element, but just for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to show you one of the examples. So let's say that we want to settings on the menu. There is a themed menu options, and I can just choose on which one of the theme that I would like to put. As you can see, the menu is now appearing right here, and it's supposed to be like a home navigation like the one on top of here, so I don't really want to put it on my home page, but you get the idea. Once you click on the desired element, it's going to be added into your page. And if you want to delete it, all you have to do is you're going to press delete on your keyboard, and it's going to delete the element. As for buttons, it also located on the element section, so you can add call to actions buttons or whatever buttons you want to put on your website. And if you want to customize it, you can always click on the buttons, and then you'll be able to see this link symbols right here, and through here you'll be able to link that buttons to whatever you want. You can link it to a web page, you can link it to a sections or an anchor, you can link it to a top or bottom page, you can link it to a document, email, phone number, or lightbox. So let's say you want to link it into a web address. You just have to paste on that web address over here, and you can also choose whether you want it to be opened on a new window or at the same window as your audience is opening. I was like the new window options, just so that it's going to make it easier for my audience or for my customers to go back to my website. And if you want to put a document onto it, you can just upload it into the sections right here. And if you want to link it to an email, put your email address right here, etc. You got the idea. It's as easy as that. And if you will want to change the pictures that comes with the template, all you have to do is just to click on your pictures, and then you'll be able to find this manage media settings. Go ahead and click on it. And through here, you'll be able to see on all of the media that your websites have, specifically on the page that you're working. So you can add your media by clicking add media. You can upload image, video, text. I'm going to try and upload one image, just for example. Go ahead and click on upload media, and then you can choose on where you will want to upload your media from. Is it your computer, your Wix account, Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Let's say that I want to upload it from my computer. I can go ahead and upload from computer, or I can just drag and drop my picture. So I'm just going to insert some random pictures. Let's say it's going to be this one. Then I'm going to wait until it's finished uploading. There is, however, some limit to the amount of size that you can upload on Wix.com. So if, let's say, you're uploading a pictures and you're having a hard time, it kept getting rejected, it's probably because your picture is too big. So mind that. If you have a pictures that resolutions or the size of your picture is a little bit too big, you will have to reduce the size first before you can upload it to Wix. And now that my pictures is finished uploading, I can go ahead and click add to library. And now I got a pictures alongside with all of the pictures that I got from my templates. I can also arrange it so that I know which pictures is number 1, number 2, etc. And once you're done, you can always click on done. If you would like to see on your page and menu, you can go ahead and click on the symbols right here. This is the one for sites and menu, and you'll be able to see on the menu that you have or the amount of pages that this template comes. Everything is totally customizable, and you can also change the places of your page. Let's say you want your about to be below the contact, or you want your contact to be all the way below on the very bottom of your website. You can always do that. And once you finish creating your web page, you can always publish it so that it's going to be visible for your customers. And you also have the options to edit your site for mobile, because sometimes, the website tends to look different on different gadget. I'm just going to skip it for now. Go ahead and click on cancels. And that is it. That is how you can create an e-commerce or online shop on Wix website. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.